homemade, free and soft American pancakes. I'm going to show you how to prepare American pancakes without cooking oil. LFA pancakes. I'm Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi from Kampala, Uganda. Whoever is on, please like the video. New viewers, if it's your first time, please subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you can get daily recipes, and don't forget to share. So we are going to add 6 tablespoons of wheat flour in our bowl. Then after, you are going to add 2 or 3 tablespoons of sugar. Then after, you are going to add 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder. Then you are going to mix a little bit. In another bowl, we are going to break 1 egg because we are mixing wet ingredients now. We are going to break 1 egg. Then in that 1 egg, you are going to whisk after you add some little milk. Then after, you are going to even add any flavor, any clear flavor. Me, I used vanilla. Then add the wet ingredients in the dry ingredients. Then you keep on whisking. When you see that it is still thick, please apply in more milk or more water. We need our mixture runny. We don't need it too thick. So it has to be like in the form of yogurt. So make sure that you keep on adding in little milk or little water if you see that it is runny. We need it runny. We need it when you pour it, it is dropping. So we don't need it too thick and we don't need it too runny. So heat your pan or apply your pan on fire. Make sure that it is hot but not too hot. But don't apply oil. Then pour your mixture in the middle. Then leave it spray by itself. I repeat it. Pour your pancake mixture in the middle. Then leave it to spray by itself. Then when you see that it has brought the bubbles, then you turn the other what? Turn it the other side. I repeat it. Pour the mixture in the middle. Don't apply cooking oil. Then leave it to spray by itself. When it brings the bubbles, please turn it. It shows that it's what? It's ready. Then if you want to train cookery, bakery, barista and pastries, you can come and join Super Kitchen School. We train short courses and full courses. Registration is going on.